Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to cover these how selection sort works. So before that, I want to uh, show a reel on selection sort. So let's see, and it will help you to understand selection sort better. And after that, we will see the implementation and some theoretical part. So let's see.
Next meme, next meme for selection. So selection sort, first we will identify the minimum index from the array and pick that index and swap up with the earliest element and unsorted element, earliest unsorted element. I want to highlight my GitHub repository where I'm going to add the a code which I'm going to teach you in future videos. Like today I'm going to teach you selection sort, so I'm going to add the selection sort code to this repository, follow this repository, and also if you want to learn the DSA step by step, so I'm going to teach you the DSA from very basics to the very advanced, step by step. So follow this spreadsheet. So for that you just have to search in Google my name and click enter, and after that visit my personal portfolio and just go to the DSS section. So in DSS section, you going probably going to find the this spreadsheet. Coming back to our topic, so how selection sort works is that we pick the minimum index in each iteration and swap with the current minimum index like ith element. We are going to loop first for loop uh, and just we are swapping the minimum index to the uh, frontliner. Like in first iteration, the swap is between 64 and 11. In second iteration, the swap between the 25 and 12, like that. In selection sort, the all time complexity goes to O of n square because we use two for loop, and also the space complexity is of 1 because we don't use the extra array, like we use in merge sort, in quick sort. We are not using selection sort, bubble sort. So just uh, now I want to explain the code. So define the function called as selection sort. In this function, pass the array, and after that, just hit enter colon and enter. So in Python, we follow the indentation. So after that, in all sorting techniques, we commonly use if the length of array is less than equals to 1, then we return the array as it is because it is already sorted. Like if the array contain only 64 number, so it is already sorted. We don't have to sort it again. So this is edge case handling. Uh, and after that, we use for loop for I in a range of length of array. So length of array. After that, in first for loop, we define the minimum index. Minimum underscore index is equals to we pass the I. Okay, I index. Like in first iteration, it will pass 0, and after in second for loop for j in a range of I from we have to go to the I to the all the way to the last element, like I comma length of array error. So after defining two for loops, we have to just write if condition if the error of uh, j is less than the error of minimum index. Okay, if in this condition, what is going to happen is And after defining the if condition, we just have to assign the minimum index uh, to j, because in the example first, let's talk about first iteration. 64 will compare with 25. So the 64 has a minimum index first defined as 0. So in second for loop, j will iterate from 25 to 11. So first comparison, 64 is greater than. So j will assign to the ith element, and second iteration 12 assign. In third iteration, no, nothing is going to change, and after fourth iteration, 11 going to happen. And after completing the first for loop, we are going to solve. Uh, it is pretty easy sorting technique. So after defining the if condition, just um, come out of the if and first for loop and write the swap condition like array of minimum index, comma, array of ith element, and swap with array of I and array of minimum index. So after defining the all the codes, we just have to check whether our selection shortcode works or not. So just define the array and pass the random element code 458, comma 54, comma 12, comma 54, comma 11, comma scala for a reason 7. Okay, after passing all elements, just call the selection sort function and pass the array and execute it. So it is not returning any array, so we forgot to write the return condition return array. So just re-execute it, and you can see that our code works properly. So this is how selection sort works. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.